Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sheila, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Microbiology, St.Joseph Arts and Science College at NMS, Cuddalore. Now I discuss about the topic mycorrhiza. What is mycorrhiza? Some fungi forms mutually relationship with roots of higher plants is called as mycorrhiza. Literally fungus root, in which fungi becomes integrated within the physical structure of roots. The first discovered by the mycorrhiza, Frank in 1885. In mycorrhiza association, the fungus colonies the plant's root either intracellularly or extracellular and exist there for prolonged period. The fungi derive nutritional benefits from the plant and the plants uptake the nutrients with the help of fungi. The mycorrhizal association in highly specific species, that is a one type of fungi from association with a particular type of plants only. There are two types of mycorrhiza. They are endomycorrhiza and ectomycorrhiza. This one is structure of ectomycorrhiza. What is ectomycorrhiza? Fungi belongs to Ascomycota, Basidiomycota and Psychomycota from ectomycorrhizal association. Example: Amantida, Balateus, Entolama, Bacillus and Rhizobogon. Plant root is covered by a layer or sheath of fungal hyphae which is called pseudoparenchymatous sheath. From this sheath, hyphae enter into the cortex and remains only in the outer cortical cells to form a network is called Harting net. All the nutrients are transported to the root by this Harting net. The ectomycorrhiza are common in angiosperm and gymnosperms. Most of the trees in temperate forest region have ectomycorrhizal association. The optimum temperature for the growth of ectomycorrhiza is 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and pH ranges from 4 to 6. The most of ectomycorrhizal fungi, they use simple carbohydrate as their carbon sources, complex nitrogen sources and require vitamins such as thiamine, biotin, etc. This one is endomycorrhiza structure. External mycelium, epidermis, Casparian strip, vesicle or vesicle, endodermis. What is endomycorrhiza? The endomycorrhizal association fungus penetrate directly into root and establish a direct connection between the cells of roots and the soil. Inside the root, they form of special structure such as coil, vesicles and orbicles. There are several group of endomycorrhizal based on the plants in which they colonize and structure of the produced. There are several group of endomycorrhizal based on the plants in which they colonize and structure or this produced. Endomycorrhizal of ericals, endomycorrhiza of orchids, vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza, that is VAM. Endomycorrhiza of ericals. The ericals of fungi hyphae penetrate into cortical cells of the root and form of intracellular coil. It increases the ability of the plants to use of nitrogen present in the soil. There is a greater phosphate activity in the mycorrhizal root. Next, endomycorrhiza of orchids. The fungi forms coil within the cortical cells of orchids, Amelaria melea and Rhizoctonia solani are the fungi which forms of association with the orchids. The coating of orchid seeds, that is spermosphere, with the endomycorrhiza enhance the ability of orchid seeds to germinate. Next one is vesicular or vesicular mycorrhiza, that is worm. The worm occur in the root of many plants such as wheat, maize, potatoes, beans, tomato, apple, orange, grapes, cotton, tobacco, tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber tree, etc. The chief diagnostic feature of worm is the presence of vesicles or arbuscles in the root cortex. The vesicles act as nutrient storage organs, whereas the arbuscular transfer the nutrients from soil into root system. The important species of worm of fungi are Glomus, Gigaspora, Aglospora, Sclerocytosis, Enterospora, and Cuddalospora. The benefits of mycorrhizal association: increased absorption of nutrients and water. The hyphae cover more area and the hyphae size also smaller than root hair. Because of these properties, the fungi can uptake more nutrients and water. The fungal hyphae promote the growth phosphorus solubilizing bacteria. Then phosphorus released by this bacteria is passed by the fungi into root. Next, increase the establishment and capacity of nitrogen fixing nodules in legumes. The increased phosphorus content of mycorrhizal root, the enhance the colonization of nitrogen fixer and fix nitrogen more than normal. Root disease suppression. The protective sheath physically protect the root and the mycorrhizal fungi produce certain antibiotic which suppress the growth of pathogens, and then increased production of plant growth hormones. The mycorrhizal colonization produced some growth hormones like indole acetic acid IAA, cytokinin and gibberellins. The production of against high soil concentration of heavy metal. The fungal hyphae block the plants to uptake the heavy metal and useful in vegetation and reclamation of mining area. Okay, thank you.